Hello students, welcome to today's session. This is Amirash and today we will be discussing the sample paper of class 10 mathematics standard. Since I've chosen standard, first I'm doing standard. Later on if you want we will do basic also. The paper of class 10 mathematics standard. Since I've chosen standard, first I'm doing standard. Right. So I hope that I'm clearly audible and visible to everyone who's attending my session, since that will be very important for us. So shall we get started? Right, so I guess this is fine. Visibility is fine, just let me know. 1 minute, let me just check if the visibility is fine for us. So shall we get started? Okay, I think it should be shifted little bit this side. Just a second. Yes, perfect. Fine, so we're getting started with it. Okay, so this is the sample question paper for class 10 session 21-22 term 1 for mathematics standard. 041 is your code. Time allowed is 90 minutes. You will be provided with your paper and maximum marks are 40. Is it? Okay, fine. I guess I got disconnected now. Oh my god. Let me refresh once. Fine now. So there are 3 sections as I told you, section A, section B and section C. In section A there will be 20 questions of which you have to only attempt 16. Okay. Now moving to section B. As soon as I open this, then I know what happens. Okay, section B, let me switch off my camera, then I guess it would be better. Yeah, the camera is creating problem. Fine. Perfect. Section B consists of 20 questions of 1 mark each. Again, you have to attempt any 16. So out of them, you have to again attempt any 16 questions. Clear? Section C consists of 10 questions based on 2 case studies. Attempt any 8 questions out of those 10 questions. This is the type of case based questions. Wait a second. Case based question. Okay, so this is about this. So let's have section A first. Now is it? Wait a second, I think I have to put it on full screen. Okay, so this is the first question that we have with us. Section A consists of 20 questions of 1 mark each and you have to attempt any 16 out of 10. So the first question says the ratio of LCM and HCF of the least composite and the least prime numbers is. So before doing this question, you should be thorough that which is the least composite number and the least prime number. Least composite means the least number which is having a factor apart from 1 and the number itself. Okay, so 1, no, it's neither a prime nor composite. 2 prime, 3 prime, so 4 is the least composite number, right? Least prime, 1 is not a prime number, so 2. And now they are saying you have to find the ratio between the ratio of the LCM and HCF. Okay, so what is the LCM of them? 4 and 2, 4, right? And what is the HCF? HCF is 2, so the ratio becomes 2:1. Okay, The correct answer becomes 2. Guys, just a small break is needed. I'll come back very soon until you can solve all the questions. Yes, everyone, I am back. So now let's try to focus on this. So the answer becomes 2:1. Second question. The value of k for which the lines 5x plus 7y is equal to 3 and 15x plus 21y is equals to k coincide. Coincide means they have infinite solutions. I guess this is the first time I'm teaching maths because I've never taught maths before. Okay. And in case you have so by this we are able to understand that the value of k is 9 as you are able to see in the solution. Okay. Third, a girl walks 200 meters towards east. So 200 meters towards east, then 150 meters towards north. The distance of the girl from the starting point. So this is the starting point where the girl started and now she has reached here. So this is your distance, that is Pythagoras theorem. So you can apply over here. I can show you the solution. Required distance is 200 plus 150 square, that is equals to 40,000 plus 4 lakh plus 4 lakh plus 22 2 lakh 2,500, that is equals to under root of 6 lakh 2,500, that is 250 meters. So the distance is 250 meters. This was easy calculation based, not conceptual based. Simple Pythagoras theorem formula that you've been learning since your lower grade. You have to apply that and it will be very easy for you to solve. Okay. My god. I guess now the voice is better than before. Is the voice better now? Let me know in the chat box, guys, and do hit the like button in case you haven't, because without that you wouldn't be able to get the notification. And subscribe to the channel, everyone who's watching. I want everyone to subscribe. Okay, now let us just move ahead with the next question, which says the length of the diagonals of a rhombus are 24 centimeter and 32 centimeters. Then the length of the altitude of the rhombus is what? So does anyone know the formula for it? Rhombus are 24 centimeter and 32 centimeters. Sorry. See, it is actually, as you can see over here, area of the rhombus is nothing but your is there some space to write? There is no space. See, area of the rhombus is half into the product of the diagonals. That means diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. This is the area of rhombus. Okay, everyone, is that clear? The area of the rhombus. Right, it is clear to everyone. Okay. So in this situation, what we have to put? See, half into 24 into 32, that will give you 12 into 32. You can calculate. Here I'm showing the answer. Acha, wait. You have to use Pythagoras theorem over here because they are asking you to calculate the altitude. Okay, so for calculating the altitude, you have to use the Pythagoras theorem. Sorry for the disturbance. So side square will be half into diagonal 1, then into the plus half diagonal 2 whole square. So with this you can get 400, so side will be 20. So for area of the rhombus is base into altitude, so 3d4 is equal to 20 into altitude. That will give you 19.2 centimeters as your answer. So your answer becomes 19.2 centimeters D. This was quite conceptual because you should know this equation, that basically there are two formulae for calculating it. And please hit the like button, guys, and tell me in the chat box how is life going on. Okay, you had to equate half into, you could have written half of diagonal 1 whole square plus into half of diagonal 2 whole square, and you had to equate it with base into height because height is your altitude. Base into height is one formula, product half into the product of diagonals is another formula. So we are having two formulae for this, two different formulae. Okay, clear? Good. So 19.2 becomes your correct answer. See, two fair coins are tossed. What is the probability of getting at most one head? Now, what do I mean by the term at most? At most means I have to get at the most, it means at maximum, one head. Okay, no heads are also possible, but one head is needed. Okay, one head or lesser than that. Clear? Either you need one head or you need, is it one? I don't know what happens sometimes. Right, so how will you do? What are the possible outcomes? First, make a list of that. See here, it is given two fair coins are tossed. So what are the possible outcomes? Head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, tail. Now, what are the favorable outcomes in which at most we have one head? It means we want only one head or lesser than that. So there will be only one option which will be neglected, which will be rejected. That is this one, when we have both the heads, because then we'll have two heads, but we need at most only one head. And if it would have been at least one head, it means one head or more than that. So three outcomes are possible, as you can see from here. Three outcomes are possible: head, tail, tail, head, tail, tail. So your probability becomes 3/4. Okay. Okay. So what is my probability? 3/4. Easy. Okay, next question. In triangle ABC, triangle ABC is similar to PQR if AM and BN are altitudes of triangle ABC and PQ respectively, and AB square is to PQ square is equals to 4:9, then AM is to PN. This is easy. See, if AB square is to PQ square is 4:9, it means AB is to PQ will be 2:3. Okay, and they are the altitudes, it means they should be the same. So the answer is 2:3. You can check from here, 2:3. Okay, ratio of altitudes also follows the same thing. Clear, everyone? So your answer becomes 2:3. Next question. If 2 sine square beta minus cos square beta is equals to 2, then what is beta? So this is really, I would say, not a very easy question, because this needs a lot of hard work. You have to go a little bit into the depths. So okay, fine. Let's see. Now it's saying that 2 sine square beta minus cos square beta is equals to 2. Means 2 sine square beta will be, instead of cos square beta, can't I replace it with 1 minus sine square beta? I can, definitely I can. So replace it, then if you will simplify, you will be getting 3 sine square beta is equal to 3, or sine square beta is equals to 1. Okay, so this will give you beta is equals to 90 degree, because sine 90 is 1. So this is the concept behind it that you have to understand. So beta is equals to 90 degrees. My main step is to replace. As much I can replace in trigonometric identities, that much benefit I am going to get. Clear? Awesome. Good. Next question. Prime factors of the denominator of a rational number with a decimal expansion 44.123 are. See, this is the decimal expansion 44.123. So, since it is a terminating decimal, it means it can only have 2 and 5. Conceptual. No calculation was needed. It was conceptual that if it's terminating, it means its prime factors will be 2 and 5. It was very much conceptual. You just have to apply your brain. It needs the brain part. And again, I'm saying, in case those of you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe and click on that notification bell icon. Right. Next, the lines x is equal to a and y is equal to b are intersecting. Why? Because whenever any line is equal to that, it means that line is parallel to the x or y axis. Okay, so if one line is parallel to x axis, one line is parallel to x axis, one line is parallel to one line is parallel to y axis, it means they will meet at a point. Mama, actually one session was going on, that's why. Actually, my mother was calling me for dinner. So let's take a short break, okay? And guys, for the relevant content, do subscribe to our channel. They have all 4 people are watching and everyone is not subscribing. Please do that. Now 5 people are there. I request everyone to subscribe because at 9:30 we'll begin with Khatro Ke Khiladi. Please. Please guys, it's very important to subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe right away. Please guys subscribe to the channel in case you haven't. Okay, let's solve the next question. The distance of point A from its origin is. So what is the distance of any point from its origin? The formula is under root of x square plus y. You can find from distance formula, but in short it is under root of x square plus y square. That will give you under root 61 units. Guys, why you people are not subscribing? अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं करोगे तो जब भी कुछ भी इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला होगा ना प्लेटफॉर्म आपको नोटिफिकेशन नहीं मिलेगी। तो अभी के अभी सब्सक्राइब करो एवरीवन। And I can see 10 are watching, so I need at least 1k likes. Guys, 10 are watching, so I want at least 250 I need 282 subscribers. Everyone, please subscribe. Please, everyone. It hardly takes a second. So please do the needful. Guys, a lot of you are watching but you're not subscribing to the channel. 272k सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं। आज का टारगेट है 1k। प्लीज 1k पर ही स्टार्ट करेंगे। Again, a lot of you are why, what is the reason? Please let me know in the chat box. Please, guys.